Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Welcome to my channel, The Real Love Survival. Today's short video is going to be all about some emergency cooking stoves. Now, if your gas gets cut off, your electric gets cut off, what have you got at home to help you to do cooking? Perhaps maybe doing a little bit of heating up in your house. Although be careful with that one when you're using any gas cookers, stoves or gas camping stoves in a house. You've got to be very careful. You might have to get yourself a carbon monoxide detector. Let me just quickly show you one. I've got one here. Okay. But yeah, let's get onto the stoves. Okay. Got one up here with a gas canister in it. A spare one. This is a hobo stove. I made this myself with some tins basically, and you've got your double burner grill right there. You've got another little camping stove right here for emergencies, and basically you've got the liquid, you put the liquid fuel in here. Let me just quickly show you. Inside it's got one of those little, it's a bit rusty, you need to sort it out a little bit, but anyway, nice little stove here. Little foldable camping stove. Another little gas burner right there. Some gas canisters. So yeah, get yourself some emergency cooking equipment. So if the gas gets turned off, you've got other ways of cooking in your home. And don't forget to get yourself some extra tin stuff for emergency. Also a fire kit is very handy. Inside here I've got all sorts of stuff, lighters, bellows, all things for lighting fires. I'll do a separate video on this soon. Anyway, today's video is all about emergency cooking. So, have you got some emergency cooking stoves in your flat ready, just in case you need it? So, having things like fat wood is good. Fat wood, very good for making fires. Obviously outside, but inside, like I said, inside your house, this is good for emergency. Good for emergency. This one's good for emergency. This one's more outdoors. But at a pinch, if you've got a balcony in your house, you can cook on your balcony. Now, my good friend Dean Dunbar is going to send me a little adapter soon that you can refill your gas canisters. So watch this space. I will do a video of that when it comes. So yeah, today's video is just about having emergency cooking in emergencies. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe and all the good stuff. Hit the notification bell and to find out when my next videos are coming. But yeah, today's video all about emergency cooking. Thanks for watching the video, guys and girls. Any questions, just ask me down in the comments and I'll get back to you. God bless and see you again soon. Take care, guys. Bye.